For this video, let me teach you on how to have header on first page only in Word. Let's start this tutorial by opening the Word document. As you can see here, that all of the pages in this document have a header, but the thing is, you need to header only in the first page. To do that, place your cursor before any content on the second page, and then go to the top left tools on Word. Now go over to the Layout tools, then click on Breaks. Under the section Breaks, select the Continuous option. After that, open the header on the second page by double-clicking it. Now make sure that you click the Link to Previews option on the navigation section to unlink it. From here, you can delete the text on the header, and it will remove all the headers except for the first page. That's basically it. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.